a cool car, like a monster truck, like something so unique that we pulled in your driveway or your business, you couldn't help but be excited that it was there. So we thought long and hard the vehicle that we needed, and we came up with the very unique, the very rare 2006 International CXT. Only 187 of these ever made in the world. Almost impossible to find, and it's the world's largest truck ever made. Just under 25,000 pounds and as tall as a semi-truck. But where would you find one? Indiana. We immediately packed our bags for Bloomington, Indiana, headed west, and we're not gonna leave there without this rig. But it was still missing something. It was missing that chaos and kindness flair, like that big, wow, curbside appeal. But we knew exactly what we needed to do and who to call. So I text my friend Jay, who owns Vanworks in Guilford, New Hampshire. He said, bring it on over. We know what we're gonna do.
Hi guys, it's Jay from Vanworks. So we'll give you a little guided tour of the shop. Here's where we do motorcycle audio, stereo systems from wild to mild, bump in the trunk like this one. It's a 19-inch, 106-pound subwoofer getting 7,000 watts RMS in the 64 Impala. First time we took it for a ride, we got pulled over by the police. It was awesome. Over here, this is where we're gonna park the recycled percussion truck for a few days while we tear into it and make it awesome. Adding the audio system and some cosmetic details to make that thing a whole lot cooler than it already is.
We are at Vanworks in Guilford, New Hampshire, and they have been building the most insane truck for us, the Chaos and Kindness official vehicle. No one's seen it, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right now.
We're gonna start with some outside speakers because when they roll up to somebody's house, we want them to be able to notify them who's coming. So we're gonna add some big kicker outdoor speakers here to project the volume. They're gonna have a little PA system inside.
They're blue lit. Mic runs through all the outside speakers. You can say whatever you want, kind of like the, you know, the police announcements or the PAs at school.
So Justin can be his typical obnoxious self when he rolls up somewhere and starts screaming at people to come out of their house and get their fun adventure going.
They're testing the speakers out inside this massive Chaos and Kindness truck. They're putting a sound system in this thing.
And then on the inside, we're gonna change out some speakers. We're going to redo the headliner, add some flair, some light, some pop, give it that recycled percussion style.
We're doing the Chaos and Kindness truck. I did the graphic design, and I'm doing part of the wrap install, and this thing's gonna look awesome when it's done.
As if this thing wasn't over the top enough, Justin wanted the Chaos and Kindness logo splashed all over the side of it. So we called up our good friend Steve Snow at Snow Signs and Tyler Ryan at Tyler Ryan Graphics, and they came up with this killer design for the truck. He wanted subtle, but not subtle.
When you see this truck come rolling up into your driveway, you know it's about to go down in a good way. A lot of time, a lot of energy went into build this truck. There's only 180 of these trucks in the whole world. A lot of your celebrities own them. They're hard to get, and these guys are making it look amazing.
And I think they really nailed it. It gives it a great branding vibe and really complements the colors and the theme of this truck, which is over the top, excessive, awesome.
Now that the Chaos and Kindness Mobile is all set and ready to go, it's time to do what we do best. And that's take this truck out and start doing some random acts of kindness and inspiring people all over the Granite State. Coming up after the break. We're filling this thing with toys. If we see kids, we're just gonna give them all kinds of crazy things. Who wants a Nerf gun?